So you got a project car for me? Why, yes I do. We got another Miata for you. A Miata? We're already building one of those. Right, but this one is a 1990 NA Miata. It is the first generation Miata. Ah, let's see, and what exactly is the appeal of this? People love restorations, and this is a straight up restoration. We actually don't have to build this into anything. Ah, I see, okay. So, less work. That's great. But what exactly are we getting out of this? We're actually not getting anything out of this. We're doing this because we owe our friend Dan a favor after crashing his E30 into a fence. Ah, yes, I do slightly remember that. We did crash his E30 into a fence. Yeah. So now rather than like fixing a few marks on his hood, we're gonna restore his entire Miata for him. Oh, okay, well, that sounds like an awful trade. That sounds like the worst trade deal we've ever made. In all honesty, it is probably the worst trade deal we're ever gonna make. I mean, at worst, we're gonna have to paint a hood and a lip, but we're gonna restore an entire Miata now. And at what point did you think this was a good idea? To be honest, I never thought it was a good idea, but people love a good restoration, and this isn't nearly as much work as we think it is. It isn't? You just said the word restoration. Just think about that right now. Like, think about the word restoration and what you just said to me. No. He's gonna be helping with this project. It's fine. We're not gonna have to do nearly as much as we think we are. We're not. You're sure? You're absolutely sure? No. God, no. Honestly, we're probably gonna have to do more work than we're willing to admit to ourselves right now. There it is. Yeah, but listen, it's gonna be great content for the channel, and it's gonna look superb by the time it's done. Well, superb looking cars are fantastic, and more content is always great. But don't you think we should choose like some other car? Don't worry, we are. We actually determined that we're gonna have all of the markets cornered. We have 2 Japanese cars, an American muscle car, and a Euro shit trash box coming to this channel. So chances are we're gonna pick up some followers one way or the other. You know what? Fine, whatever. This is fine. I mean, if we've got help on it, how much work are we really doing? How hard could it be? Probably not that hard at all, in all honesty. We're gonna be fine. I mean, at best, we have to like do a little bit of sanding and paint. And the rest is all on Dan. You know what? I'm sold. I'm in. Let's do it. Let's do it to it. Okay. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this video, and maybe the last one for the Volvo. We may have had one too many drinks before making these tonight, and it took us a little longer than we wanted to. Hey, if you're enjoying this, click like, click subscribe, maybe even click that little like ding dong bell thing over there. Is it over there? It's over here, right? Listen, click all of the buttons that make more viewership yay for me. That'll be great, because I'll appreciate it. Because let's be honest, I did not get compensated nearly enough for restoring Dan's Miata. Not even remotely enough for that project. But hey, you know what? I'll give him this. He's always there when I need a lackey to help me with my bullshit projects. So, thanks, Dan.